Well, hello, this is James Hecker, mortgage advisor, NMLS number 214601, and I'm bringing you the regular weekly mortgage rate recap and forecast. And so, recap, well, interest rates got better last week. The jobless numbers came out better. More people gaining employment, less people filing for unemployment, which was counteracted, though, unfortunately, by slower wage growth. So some conflicting information there, but the market is generally taking that as a positive and thinking that mortgage interest rates have somewhat peaked at this point. The feds are still talking about raising interest rates, the discount rate, and that there may be some economic pain through recession. But the market is kind of pushing back a little bit and going, things are looking better and rates are beginning to normalize. And we're in a place now where the market was somewhat prior to the downfall, where the Fed started pumping money into the system and buying bonds. And people are responding to that. Open houses are seeing more people show up. Homes that are listed, nice homes that are listed correctly in the first place, are getting offers, even offers over asking. We saw this last weekend. So things are starting to normalize. Buyers are coming back to the market, not in the same numbers that we had in the craziness of 20 and 21. But we are going to see some good numbers, I think, for resale of homes, existing homes. Right now, it's roughly 11,000 homes a day are selling across the country. That's 8 every minute. So there are people coming back to the marketplace. And I think that it's a good time for that, quite frankly, because in the long haul, the market is calling for more appreciation. Different entities have forecasted for 2023. I think it's NAR, National Association of Realtors, or CoreLogic, one of the two, suggested that we're going to see like 5.4% growth in home prices in 2023. Where on the other end of the scale, Zelman, who, quite frankly, I don't even know what that is. I got to look it up and see, but have forecasted a drop in sales of about 5%. So roughly, if you average all these sources that are predicting housing prices through 2023, you're roughly looking at an average of a predicted 1% growth in home prices over the next year, which is far from the doom and gloomers saying, we're going to see 20, 30, 50% drop in housing prices. That just doesn't seem to be the case. There's just a shortage of homes in the first place, and rates, like I said, had determined that they're pretty much have peaked in that 7.5 range, and now they're back down into the low sixes. And they'll probably, maybe get back into the fives. And that's realistic. Those are normal numbers over the long run. And so people are getting used to that. So if you want to see how this market would affect your desire to own a home or maybe move up, by all means, give me a call. I'd love to speak to you about it. If there's anybody that you care about that should be considering this, by all means, I'd be a resource for you and them. I'd love to hear from you, and have a wonderful week.